Hey, welcome back to Diecast YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you these three new Hot Wheel castings. So these ones are 2020 models as I remember, yes. And these ones are already in Australia. I've noted some in some part of the world they have been hitting Target, Kmart stores, especially USA and Australia. So I bought these three today. So it's wonderful castings. I wanted to buy two, but there were only one each on pegs because I like to change wheels in these three castings because they are pretty well detailed. All right, let's check. All right, yeah, this is my latest wheel swap casting. So if you haven't watched the video, please I'll put the link below. Watch that one as well. I'll keep that aside. So the first one is Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. So if you guys can remember, Hot Wheels has released this casting early this year with the ash color variant. So now they have decided to present this in white color. See, all right, if you can see this one closely, this thing has all the details in the world. See the Porsche logo, Porsche Hot Wheels number plate, Porsche logo here, front light details. It's just the paint, it's just painted front lights, or just it's a plastic one. I think it's just the same piece from the base or the interior. I'm not sure because I haven't removed this one because I only got one piece at the moment anyway. So normal wheels, but if you guys check this one closely, it's pretty detailed. See, you have the plastic roof spoiler as well. Pretty good, nice. All right, moving into the next one, another Porsche. This is 1989 Porsche 944 Turbo. Another classic released by Hot Wheels. Oh my god, this is beautiful. All right, let's check the details. You got typical Hot Wheels 5-spokes wheels. If you check the front, you guys have all the front light details, signal light, Porsche logo as well. If you guys check closely, see these details in the front headlight. Oh, beautiful. And rear light details, all the details are here, all the details. Oh, there you go. Check this one. So this one has a stethoscope in the back of the car, so this should be a doctor's car. You know, as I remember in Sri Lanka, when I was raised in Sri Lanka, so there was a brand called Dr. Sunny, because all the doctors bought that Nissan Sunny variant. So it called Dr. Sunny. So this thing has a stethoscope in the back, so this should be a doctor's car. Pretty cool one, huh? Left hand drive, nice. All right, time to my favorite. This is Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. This is 1998 model. Wow, nice artwork. Nice. I like this artwork. Anyways, let's open. Wow, give me a moment to check this casting. Wow, it's nice. Beautiful. All right, let's check. So this thing has gold trims, 10-spoke wheels, beautiful details. See all the front light details are there, Subaru logo, signal lights, front grille. What can you expect more for $2, huh? And nice bonnet, custom bonnet details. I like this, you know, the peacock bluish color, you know, Subaru blue. Wow, it's pretty cool. And see the rear light details. Well, if you check the paintwork, that's not perfect, but you know, It's all right, you know, can do better, but it's all right. And see the Hot Wheels number plate as well. Is there any stethoscopes in here? No stethoscope. All right, job well done, Hot Wheels. All right, there you go, guys. So this is 98 Subaru Impreza 22B. I think this will be a hit among the collectors and the kids as well. So yeah, I'm going to find some another castings out of this models because I need to do a wheel swap and add those ones to my custom collections, because these ones got that much details on these. So anyway, all right guys, thanks for watching. So I'm not doing those kind of huge videos like unboxing all these cases at once, because I'm just a normal collector like you guys. So I go pack hunting, I buy stuff, and if I think it's good, I'll show everything to you guys. All right guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys with another video soon. Bye.